Welcome to my channel, The Crazy Clam Planner. Take 3. I didn't have the microphone plugged in. So this week we are doing sushi. All about sushi this week. I just love my sushi. I have already off camera put down the washi at the top. I will punch the rings there, the days and the dates in the notes section. I made this originally for lefties, but find I am enjoying it because when I have it in my planner, the rings aren't in my way, but I only use one at this time. I am thinking about adding like a quarter sheet for my social media, but not another full page, if that makes sense. So I believe I looked at this right. I am going to double check, but I believe Sunday the 12th is Mother's Day. Okay, May 12th is Mother's Day. Oh, and let's see, I need to put a May up here. So these are undated. So you can print, I do need to put this on Ko-Fi for y'all, but you can always put your own dates on there, but I like putting my dates. So I am hoping on Sunday that my family will take me out for sushi. And everyone in my family loves sushi, so that would just be heartbreaking for them to have to do that. You know, for me, they'll suffer for me, right? Sorry, that's just a joke. That's how we are around each other. Okay, so I'm going to write on here. I do not have the best handwriting. Sorry. And I have tried all the fancy writings, and it still just doesn't come out the way I would really like it. As far as the week goes, that's about it for my week. Oh, no, it's not. I remembered something else, and I forgot to put it in the calendar. So, it's going to be kind of funny for Monday. So, May 5th is Cinco de Mayo, which, of course, is on a Sunday. So, we are celebrating it at work. Any reason for food, okay? Well, we're having a potluck, and we're all bringing something to work. Well, most, anyway. So I'm just going to call this potluck at work. And when we put a spread on, we put a spread on. We usually eat on it for 2 or 3 days. That's why we did it on Monday instead of Friday. That way we could have leftovers for a couple of days. Okay, let me put some bullet points up here on the side. Now, if you are able, whenever you print these out, if you do a print bleed around the bullet points and the dates, it may cut a little easier. I did that around my bullet points. It's not on yours because I did not want your machine to think that it needed to be the big one. So if you do want the color bleed the outline added to these, let me know. I also did that for my days of the week. You can see there's a little bit of the picture around it, just so if I'm slightly off, we won't notice it. And I know how to do that in Silhouette. I'm not a Cricut user, but I'm sure there's a way. Okay, so this one is got to be my favorite. Your Soy Amazing. And I really can't have soy sauce because of the gluten in it. I buy the amino acids. Okay, so I want to do that, but I'm going to, let's cluster here. So I'm going to take this circle and cut it in half. And I'm going to grab this one. I don't really have anything going on these days at this time, but things can change. I also am using the Planner Basics, and this one is from 2017. I am just shopping my stash. Okay, so I've got this one. It's one thing at a time. It came out of the Planner Basics Happy Planner sticker book. You know what? I don't like the white around that, so I'm going to do a little sticker surgery. I don't want the border, so I'm just going to trim that border off. Okay, and that's one thing about stickers, not just mine. If it's not the way you want it, make it the way you want it. It's okay. We can change things up to fit what we need. So put the little to-do up there. Also got this out of the Planner Basics. And I want this gem right here. I thought that was cute this week. Last week I was not good. Did not go one day at all. Between weather and not feeling good and an alarm that went off at the wrong time, it did not happen. I know, stop making excuses and get there. I get it. Okay, so let's weekend this. And of course, Friday is always the best day of the week. Or is it? Because it seems by Saturday, Friday's payday's already gone. But that's okay. Alright, let's keep it shrimple. See, and you know what? I did not look for a quote to put down here. Okay, I'm in the Rainbow book from Happy Planner 2016. Shopping my stash. Just got to get rid of stuff. So I found this one for my quote. Treat yourself, be happy, dream, give much, be brave, faithful, fearless every day. It up better? What? That does not make sense there. Oh well. We'll put this down here to fill that. And if I fill all this up, I can always put what I call my muted boxes down here. These are brighter on camera than what they really are, because I like to be able to, for you to have a spot and me to write things down as needed. Okay, I don't like this one right here. I want something there. Okay, so how about pho shizzle? I know, pho is not sushi. That would be, you'll find more ramen than pho, because those are different cuisines, but I do like my pho as well. I live in an area that we have a good, I'm not sure how to say this right. We have a large population of Vietnamese in the area, and it's just that's where I grew up. They did their shrimpers. I love it. What upset me the most, though, is that I was an adult before I discovered their food. Oh my gosh, their food is amazing. I love it. And I love going to the Vietnamese restaurants in the area. The pho, we have several pho places now. I have one that is really my favorite. Okay, Thursday looks a little boring. So, let's see, do I want this one on there? Again, my life is mostly boring, and I'm okay with that. There's always a little family drama, not okay with that. But as far as appointments and going and doing stuff, you know, we do little trips here and there. Okay, I do like that right there. That's cute. Alright, so I actually have some more little stickers to do out of Planner Basics. And let's see what we can do with these. There is some sushi in the Planner Basics. And there's some up here too. It's like this page just does not make sense to me. It's like just a little bit of everything. So I thought I could scatter some of these around just to kind of brighten the page a bit. And don't be afraid to experiment. Don't just use stickers from one pack or one company or one freebie. Move it around. What I love about this crafting is not only does it give me my day so I can go and look and see, hey, what do I need to get done, what's going on, but also that I can be creative, and every week is different. Even though I'm using mine right now mostly as the same style, they're still never two the same style. It's always different. Okay, that is all I can think of at this time. So we are definitely going to keep it shrimple this week. This is my sushi page, and honestly at this time I have not named it, so no clue what it's going to say whenever I post this. I'd like to thank you for watching. Thumb it up, pass it around, share the free printable. It will be listed below, but I ask that you share the link and not the file. Thank you for watching, and stay beautiful.